To make a slip stitch border, what we're going to do is insert our hook into the loops of either the double crochets, the trebles, or the chains on the side of our project. When you insert your hook, you want to go through one loop. I'm going to just insert my hook like this. Slide to the base of your hook to open up space. Gently tighten up the loop that's on your hook. Yarn over. Pull through both loops, slide to the base of your hook to open up space, and then we're ready to insert our hook into the next loop. I'm going to insert my hook into this loop right here, kind of at the top. Slide to the base, yarn over, pull through both loops, slide to the base of your hook. I'm now going to insert my hook into the next loop right here. As long as you evenly space them out, it doesn't necessarily matter which loop you're putting it through, but just make sure you're inserting it through one loop and not two. And then every time you insert, you want to slide to the base of your hook first, then yarn over and pull through both loops, and then slide to the base of your hook again. That should give you a really nice looking slip stitch border. So just slide through one loop at a time on the side of your work, and then you'll have a really cute border.